Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SALSA HUSNAINY NAJWA from Junior High School 1 JETIS. Today, I would like to share how to make flowers from used straws and a flower vase from used bottle. Materials needed: pink, orange, and green used straws, glue, stick, pistol, crepe paper, used bottle. The tools: scissors, key, ruler, glue gun. Manufacturing steps: take a straw and cut vertically to the side at the end of the straw about 4 centimeters long. Cut the top and bottom edges of the straw. Next, roll the straw with a key to foam. After all the straw have been rolled up, glue the ends and press them dry before removing them. Repeat the steps using another colored straw. Cut a green straw into a leaf shape. Then, the stick is wrapped with paper as a stalk. Glue the leaf on the flower stalk. Prepare a clean used bottle and cover it with paper. Then place and arrange the flower in the finished bottle to make it look more beautiful. Do you get it? Well, that's for me how to make flowers from used straws and a flower vase from used bottle. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.